So thank you guys so much for watching. We are at Port Orleans Riverside, and this is actually the room we're in, 8603. It's on a corner unit. Can't really see, but way over there off in the distance, there is the bus stop. It was only like about a 3-minute walk from our room to the bus stop, and we got a nice little corner unit. So let's head on inside and show you a little bit about what this room has to offer that made us love it and made it very, very unique for us. So once we open this door here, you will see that one cool thing that feature that they do have, let's get the lights on for a moment. One cool thing that they do have are 2 windows. So there are 2 windows, so it makes it a little bit brighter because it is a corner unit. Now, as a traditional room, you will get your 2 queen-size beds in here. Both of the beds were super comfortable, and we really, really enjoyed them. Let's head on over into the bathroom area here. You see an area where you can hang ties or belts. This bathroom was separated just by a curtain for the sink area here, along with great storage area for a mini closet that was also in the sink area. And then we have our shower and our bathroom amenities in here. All the shampoo, soaps, and conditioners are attached on the wall. And then we will come back out here. Thank you guys so much for watching this short video. I do promise we have a lot of great videos coming up soon. If you haven't done so already, feel free to check out our other videos from Walt Disney World. We have a lot of fun things from all the parks and a lot of surprises that happen for us too. Feel free to check out those videos by clicking on the link that you see right here in this corner, along with checking out some of our current videos from the Disneyland Resort here in Anaheim by clicking on this video right here. Have a great rest of your day, you guys, and we hope to meet you guys all one day soon.